and belly. Welcome to our morning prenatal yoga series. For this video, you'll only need a bolster, a pillow, and 2 blocks. Come to sit. Move the flesh out of your seat a little bit out of the way. And cross your shins. Here I have my right over my left to begin. That's the one that comes the most naturally to me. It's good to notice which comes the best for you. Go ahead and close your eyes. Take a full breath in. Full breath out. Inhale, sweep your arms out wide enough. Exhale, palms to your heart. Good. Take your left hand to your right side. Take your right hand behind you. It can be grabbing onto the pillow or bolster or flat behind your back. Take a full breath and lift your chest. As you breathe out, just twist over the breast strap. Baby stays forward. Take a full breath in. And a full breath out. Again, breathe in. And breathe out. One more time, breathe in. And breathe out. Inhale, sweep your right arm up. Exhale, second over to the left, and then cross your right arm over your left. You end up with crossed elbows. Give yourself a hug. Try to ground to your shoulder blades. Lift your elbows shoulder height. Take a full breath in, look up, elbow tips up. Exhale, round your back. Feel like you're spreading your shoulder blades like you're Superman trying to rip out this suit. Good. Inhale, elbow tips up, breathe in. Exhale out. And inhale up. And exhale out. Inhale up. And exhale out. Inhale up. And exhale out. Good. Stay rooted. Breathe in through your nose and then maybe breathe out through your mouth. Feel that space you're creating behind your heart. Inhale, sweep your arms out wide enough. Exhale, palms to your heart. Lean a little bit back and then switch to crossing out your legs. I know it's going to feel awkward. Be with it. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, palms to your heart. Take your right hand across your chest up to your left ribs, and then your left hand behind you. As you breathe in, lift your chest upright, and as you breathe out, turn over to the left, keeping baby forward, just twisting from above the box up. Take a full breath in, relax your knees, full breath out. And breathing in, and breathing out. Breathing in, and breathing out. Inhale, sweep your left arm up, and as you exhale, sliding over to the right, as you cross your left arm over your right. Okay, give yourself a hug. Elbow tips, shoulder height. Breathe in. Exhale round. Inhale up. And exhale round. Inhale up. And exhale round. Inhale up. Exhale, stay rounded. Fill the space between your shoulder blade with breath, with space. Inhale, sweep your arms out wide enough. Exhale, palms to your heart. Roll into your hands and your knees. Move the pillow or bolster out of the way. Take a blanket for your knees if your knees are sensitive. And then as you breathe in, just simple cat-cow here. But see if you can focus on lifting your heart through your arms, past your thumbs, as you inhale for cow. And as you exhale, round the back and hug your baby from the sides of your waist. Drop your head. And inhale, tuck the toes on your heart with thumbs. Exhale, untop the toes, hug your baby, drop your head. And bend forward. And exhale on your timing, not mine. On your next inhale, keep your heart shining through and over your thumbs. Tuck your right toes under, slide your right leg back behind you. Gently go forward and back onto your toes, opening the arches of your foot and your toes. Depending on when you're taking this class, if it's in the winter, we have big boots that don't really help out the movement on our feet. In the summer, flip-flops are not so great either. Wherever you are, just bring some breath and circulation into your feet. And go ahead and spin your heel down. The pinky is parallel to the back edge of your mat. Move your left shin behind you like an anchor and open your right arm to the ceiling. Yeah, take a full breath and keep reaching your fingertips to the ceiling. And as you exhale, press a little bit more through your back heel and hug your baby from the sides of your waist. Extend your right arm over your ear. And turn your gaze down, palms down, lift your back heel up, tuck your right knee down. Inhale, lengthen forward. And exhale, round. Inhale, lengthen. And exhale, round. Inhale, lengthen, tuck your left toes under, slide your left leg back behind you, move forward and back onto your toes. Notice the difference between the sides. Breathe into the back of your knee, your shin, all 5 of your toes with your left foot. And then go ahead and spin your left heel down. Spin your right shin behind you like an anchor and open up your left arm to the ceiling. As you breathe in, I want you to grow from the root of your right hand to the floor to your left fingertips to the ceiling. And as you breathe out, press into your back heel and hug your baby from the sides of your waist. And extend your left arm up by your ear. Turn your gaze down, palm down, lift your back heel up. Inhale, lengthen. Now as you exhale, tuck your toes under, lift your knees, downward facing dog. And keep your knees bent for this first one. Shake your head yes, shake your head no. And breathe in through your nose, maybe stick out your tongue, breathe out through your mouth. Nobody's watching. And maybe now you unfold your legs underneath of you. And take a full breath in. Full breath out. Tap your knees to the floor. Take your hands to your blocks. The blocks are great here to bring the floor a little closer to you as your belly grows. Step 1 foot forward at a time, does not matter which. Heel to your feet, maybe as wide as your mat, definitely a little wider than baby distance wide. Just move your hips from side to side. Turn your toes out, your heels and bend your knees, take your hands to your thighs. Roll the top of your shoulders back, breathe in. As you exhale, drop your right shoulder in. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, left. Inhale, come back to center. And exhale, right. Inhale, come back to center. And exhale, left. Good, inhale, come back to center. Press into your feet, come all the way up to stand. Parallel your feet, hands to the hips. Heel to your feet, big distance wide, maybe a little wider if that feels good. Palms by your side. Interlace your hands behind your back. Draw your knuckles back and down as you lift your chest. Take a full breath in. As you exhale, slide your left ear to your left shoulder. Inhale, come back to center. Switch the inch over one finger. Draw your knuckles down, lift your chest. Exhale, right your right shoulder. Inhale, come back to center. Separate your hands, sweep your arms out wide enough. Exhale, palms to your heart. Two more. Inhale from the fingertips to the ceiling. Thumbs to your heart. Last time, inhale out wide enough. Exhale, palms to your heart. Bring one hand to your heart, one hand to your baby. Thank yourself for carving out some minutes to yourself this morning for the start of your day. If you know where your baby's spine is, you can give your baby a back rub. And just know that no one in the world knows what it's like to grow this baby. And no one in the world knows your baby better than you do. Thank you so much for sharing some time with me this morning. Have a great day.